The first step is to choose a physical space to be scanned. Spatial mapping technology allows building a 3D mesh of a room, manufacturing space, and even an entire facility. Such a mesh is a foundation to be a digital twin of a construction site and subject to further processing. Having the mesh built, the solution is ready to classify the meshes, identify relevant objects and related data. In other words, we are able to understand the physical space, find walls, floors, ceiling and platforms, and use them for automatic sizing and dimensioning without additional infrastructure scanning setup. This is an easy way to quickly build rich context for further operations like full-scale visualizations, component clash detection, design review and correction, and many more. The prototype also offers AR-assisted modeling with three-dimensional objects palette, allowing to interact with the mesh and quickly prototype designs. Users can place many types of objects from a predefined palette and modify them directly in this mixed reality environment. Depending on the palette, users can decorate physical space with different layers of industrial data like pipes and air conditioning routes, electrical installations with cables, plugs and sockets, internal construction elements, installation details, walls, pillars, stairs and platforms, or even furniture arrangements or placement of appliances. The design and review process can happen in parallel and give immediate and immersive feedback in one-to-one scale. Digital objects can blend together and visualize a to-be state for other stakeholders involved in design, construction and operation phases.